And now we have the next attack, and there's actually going to be an Hydra attack with a combination of a Blizzard, which means a blimp filled up with super wizards. And there's the Earthquake just to make sure that this bomb tower is, well, getting taken down by the blimp. And this means the death damage of this is not going to take down the super wizards, but the Town Hall is invisible.
Invisible. Yeah, he did indeed. But this next Invis should be able to help these Super Wizards lock onto the Town Hall. He drops yet another invisibility, meaning he's only going to have 1 freeze and 2 rages. And the Town Hall finally goes down, but he's deploying some heroes over on the 9 o'clock on the left side of this base. Let's see if we can continue to get some value, send these dragons in, but that was so many spells right there.
Yeah, I feel like with another invisibility spell in the beginning, he could have saved maybe 1 entire invisibility spell, and the Expo did not go down, and it's getting repaired up again. You can see the build is working, and at the point where the dragons arrive, it should be full HP again. And there's the clan castle, but nicely timed warden abilities, keeping everything safe. So really nicely done. The king and the queen is trying to push everything back inside. There are 2 more dragon riders getting delayed from him and getting sent into the base, and this so far is looking like a pretty good entry, but now we need to be careful about the trap placement.
Yeah, with that early Warden build, meaning he doesn't have any Warden Eternal Tome to protect these dragons on the backside. We do have a single target Inferno, pops the King Billy, down goes the Eagle, and sending 1 Dragon Rider actually up top by itself. Now, grabbing Archer Tower is a ton of value. World Champion is still making her way through. I don't even know. Where is she? On the bottom side of this base, potentially? That single target Inferno? No. Oh, she's up top. There she is, moving her way. The biggest threat now is that single target Inferno. I think with her ability, it's still looking pretty solid. Even MAXI's base is, I don't know if it can hold here.
That is just crazy. Both teams are being so strong right now. He has 1 more freeze still left. There's the skeleton spell, a skeleton trap coming up. So that might be a game changer, Royal Champion ability now. But there are a lot of skeletons. But the Inferno Tower was low.
Yes. And now the Royal Champion working onto the Ground Expo has 1 free spell. Oh my gosh, just 1 freeze. Come on, is he going to be able to freeze up the Wiz Tower? The Unicorn's dead. It's going to come down. No, I don't think it's going to be enough. 37, the Ground Expo is going to get unfrozen, and the Royal Champion is going to go down. Oh, what? Only 2 minions left. Oh, no.
Okay. That was crazy. The skeletons actually redirected the Royal Champion. The Royal Champion was on her path towards the Expo. And then the ground skeleton trap, the double ground skeleton trap at the end of the base actually saved this base, even though it was barely. But I feel like at this point, like if you're in this match, I feel like you take any defense. A defense is a defense, and that's everything what counts. So this is going to be a 95%, which is no bad attack by all means.